Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this quick update, we're going to be talking about Litecoin potentially breaking 150 today or this week, as the momentum is very strong right now in the market. Bitcoin already breaking 11K after breaking 10K late last night. And we're going to be taking a look at Litecoin on the USD pairing as well as the Litecoin Bitcoin pairing, and really briefly at Bitcoin as well. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, all the good stuff, and we can just jump right into it. So I want to start off looking at Bitcoin and then talk most of the video about Litecoin. Before we do, as you guys know, I'm actually traveling right now, which is why I don't have access to a lot of the equipment that I usually do. This will probably be my only upload on the road here, but I just wanted to get on and talk about it, as there's so much cool stuff going on. Great stuff in the market, a lot of momentum. So obviously Bitcoin is headed right towards about 11.5 roughly, is where there was previous resistance, as well as the Fib retracement pulled out there. So really we're very close to potentially seeing if Bitcoin breaks that and heads up to the 13.5 area, which we talked about previously. With Litecoin, I want to look on the USD pairing as well as the Bitcoin pairing here. On the USD pairing, when we pull out the Fib retrace, we see some resistance actually where there is a resistance in the past, right around 150, where we are very close to right now. We've been struggling to get over 140. We did, as of Bitcoin breaking 10K last night. The entire market kind of had a little bit of an upswing, as you can see here. And Litecoin starting to gain some momentum along with the rest of the market. You can see Litecoin's actually down, or not down, but up the least of the top 5 here. Most likely because of all the momentum that Litecoin has had and how high Litecoin is still currently up. So it's kind of like catch up for a lot of these alts, I think, here. If Litecoin is able to break 150, I think the next big zone would be right around 185 to 190. So just to broaden that a little bit, maybe like 180 to 190 US dollars there. Previously, Litecoin saw a lot of resistance there and found some support there during the bear market before falling through it, and then that turning into resistance. So right around 180 to 190. So really, if Litecoin breaks clearly above 150, 180 to 190, in my opinion, is kind of like a strong zone of it being in favor of reaching. Now, again, that's if the entire momentum of the market kind of keeps up, and that's because Bitcoin is really kind of trailblazing all of this. So without Bitcoin right now, a lot of the market wouldn't be moving. But the crazy thing is, these kind of moves can happen. People will say in a bear market, to kind of pull your expectations back a little bit, but during a bull market, these kind of crazy parabolic moves do happen, as you can see right here, just straight lines up, and I'm sure it'll get even crazier down the road, maybe even this week, maybe even today. Things in the market during a bull run just get absolutely insane with crypto. There's so much growth left to be had. So I wanted to end the video on the Litecoin Bitcoin pairing here, actually, because Litecoin is kind of at a critical area where it has been trying to find support and kind of get out of this 2% range for a very long time, right around the 0.012 or 1.2% right here. You can see Litecoin's currently actually trading below it, but seeming to be finding support right on the 200 moving average right here. But you can see it doesn't necessarily look like a great sign here. We have a high here and then a lower high, and then we have a low, and hopefully we put in a lower low, and maybe that consolidation could lead to another breakout for Litecoin there. Maybe a final breakout where we might be able to finally test 2% of a Bitcoin again. However, with the market moving the way it is right now, Litecoin will continue to go up. If Bitcoin goes up, just like the rest of the market, everything will go up. So we just have to wait and see. I think Litecoin, if it's able to test 150, I think that's the really big target to wait for right now, right around the 150 area. And if it's able to break that, then that'll be exciting to see a breakout too much higher. If Bitcoin ends its run sometime today or even sometime this week, would money flow into the alts just naturally? I think that's also possible as well. I think we're on a long-term uptrend now at this point, so I think long-term Bitcoin's going to continue to go up. But I think we're also going to see money flow into these alts, them take turns, money go into Bitcoin, flow into alts, and continue. But overall, the trend being everything going up. So guys, that's going to be it for this quick little update. Thanks to you guys for watching. If you're new, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you in the next video.